Welcome friends. Today we are going to revise questions which will come in coming online exam. Question number 51. What is the advantage of using gibb-headed key? Answer B. Can be withdrawn easily. 52. Which file is used for finishing sharp corners? Answer C. Barrett file. 53. What is the name of the file? Answer A. Tinker's file. 54. Which device is used to check the workpiece to confirm the save? Answer A. Profile gaze. 55. What is the purpose of feeler gaze? Answer D. To check the gap between the mating parts. 56. What is the name of gaze? Answer D. Standard wire gaze. 57. Which gauge is used to check the outside diameter of a cylindrical shaft? Answer B. Plain ring gauge. 58. What is the act of joining the slip gauges together for building up sizes? Answer D. Ringing. 59. What material is used to make sign bar? Answer D. Stabilized chromium steel. 60. How the length of sign bar is specified? Answer C. Distance between center point of rollers. 61. Which one forms the hypotenuse of the triangle while checking with sign bar? Answer C. Sign bar length. 62. What is the effect of excessive application of abrasive compound in lapping operation? Answer A. Developing inaccuracies. 63. What is caused if the lap is harder than the workpiece? Answer A. Workpiece will cut the lap. 64. Which material is used to make small diameter laps? Answer D. Copper or brass. 65. What is the name of surface texture measuring instrument? Answer D. Mechanical surface indicator. 66. Why manual stroking is preferred for large quantities in honing operation? Answer C. To keep close tolerance. 67. What is the purpose of hardening? Answer C. Increase cutting ability. 68. Which method of heat treatment to improve machinability and ductility in the job? Answer A. Annealing. 69. What is the disadvantage of flame hardening in the heat treatment process? Answer D. Not suitable for small workpieces. 70. What is the name of method in metallic coating done by rolling or drawing the layers of metal on the base metal? Answer B. Cladding. 71. Which type of key used if the hub of pulley has to axially slide on the shaft to some distance? Answer A. Feather key. 72. What is the name of file? Answer warding file. 73. Which nut protects the bolt and thread from damages? Answer A. Cap nut. 74. Which grade slip gauge is used for precision tool room applications? Answer C. Grade 1. 75. Which material is used to make slip gauge block? Answer C. High grade steel with low thermal expansion. 76. Which operation is performed with fine abrasive particles? Answer B. Lapping. 77. What is the purpose of normalizing? Answer D. Remove stress and strain. 78. Which structure of steel contain 0% carbon? Answer A. Ferrite. 79. What is the method of surface hardening? Answer D. Induction hardening. 80. Which type of key is used for transmitting high torque on both direction of rotation? Answer D. Tangential key. 81. What is the use of ring gauge? Answer B. Check shaft diameter. 82. Which gauge is used to check the accuracy of an internal thread? Answer C. Thread ring gauge. 83. What is the name of the gauge? Answer C. Taper ring gauge. 84. What is the procedure to select the slip gauge for particular dimension. Answer D. Start rinsing with small size slip gauge. 85. Which process improves the quality of fit between the mating components? Answer D. 86. Which abrasive is used for lapping hardened steel and cast iron? Answer A. Silicon carbide. 87. Which finishing operation is performed by the tool that rotate and reciprocate simultaneously? Answer B. Honing. 88. Why holes are provided in a ring type lapping? Answer C. Hold lapping compound. 89. Which type of key has one face curvature to match shaft surface? Answer D. Hollow saddle key. 90. What is the name of key? Answer A. Parallel sunk key. 91. Which type of cutting tool is tempered by heating up to 230 degrees centigrade? C. Turning tool. 92. Why normalizing process is carried out in steel? Answer C. To remove stress and strain. 93. Which heat treatment process increases the wear resistance of steel? Answer C. Hardening. 94. What is the purpose of annealing? Answer A. To soften the steel. 95. Why square head screws are provided with collar? Answer A. Protect work surface. 96. What is the purpose of taper plug gauges? Answer C. Check tapered hole with perfect fit. 97. Why slots are provided in the adjustable ring lap? Answer D. Permit feeding of lapping compound. 98. Which abrasive has excellent cutting properties and expensive? Answer B. Boron carbide. 99. What is lapping? Answer D. Precision finishing operation. 100. What is the name of lap tool? Answer A. Split bush lap. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. These are all Nimi's questions. Thank you, friends.